This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. We have some alarming news. Please listen carefully. 3 people were found dead in their homes. Please do not panic, there might be a killer on the loose. 3 victims were found around 30 minutes ago. All 3 victims had a sort of bite and stab marks. We may believe that the killer is also using a wild animal to kill its victims. So far we do not know where the killer could be. If you have any information or you think you saw the killer, please call your local police department. Until all clear has been given, please make sure to lock your doors whenever you return to your home. Do not answer the door to someone you don't know. Be vigilant. If someone breaks into your home, do not investigate. Call your local police department and hide. Police will also be patrolling the areas where the victims were killed for your safety. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.
Hello there. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. I don't even know how are you even able to hear this. I pre-recorded this audio log. And who am I? I don't know. Some call me Subject Zero. Where am I right now? Who knows? Where did I come from? I don't know. I don't know if I'm even a human. I don't even think this is my home anymore. But I can tell you one thing. You'll all be replaced by my children. My creations. Soon those 3 will rise again and go after their loved ones to convert them to. No one can suspect this. There is no way I can fail. But even if my plan of replacement fails, that doesn't mean all of us are gone. You'll never truly